Hi friends, welcome to Albert Pinto's multi-channel. Today's topic is why Facebook blocks URLs. Well, the most common reason why a website URL might be banned is it was posted too many times in a promotional manner by the same person. Another reason why Facebook might block a URL is if it is on a list from another website, such as a security company. Well, there are several reasons why our website might be blocked, but you do have an option to get Facebook to remove the block. Why does Facebook block certain websites? Well, first of all, if you are violating a Facebook's community standards, Facebook is going to block your website URL from being shared. For example, your site might be blocked because of the community standards. If your site includes content about buying, selling, or trading. Also, people share a lot of things on Facebook that includes both pictures of cats and links to malicious files that can hijack a person's computer. To protect people from situations like the latter, Facebook will block certain website URLs from being shared in Facebook posts, groups, and Messenger, etc. Well, how to check if Facebook really blocked your website? To check if your website is blocked by Facebook, you can use the Facebook Sharing Debugger tool. All you need to do is enter your site's URL and click the debug button. If your website is blocked by Facebook, you should see the following message or something similar. We can't review this website because the content doesn't meet our community standards. If you think this is a mistake, please let us know. Now, submit your website to Facebook for reconsideration. Once you are 100% sure that your website doesn't violate Facebook's community standards, you can submit for reconsideration. Well, to do this, go back to Facebook Sharing Debugger tool and enter your website again. You should see the same message telling you that your website is blocked. To submit your website for reconsideration, click the Let Us Know link. So let's follow and we will go step by step. Now this is my blog which my URLs have been blocked. So I will show what results I get after I copy and paste the URLs on Facebook. Now this is the notification that I get after pasting the link. So we will first insert our short message giving details about us and a reason kind of to Facebook helpline. Now here I have already written one message which I will copy paste here. That's it, our feedback is completed. Now, Facebook doesn't offer a specific timeline for when they will respond. However, you should expect it to take anywhere from weeks to a month, and you might not get a response at all. You can try resubmitting again if that's the case. Hope this video will serve your purpose, and until then, bye and take care.